How to upload audio to Roblox. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So if you're on your phone, you can open the app, but if you're opening through the browser, go ahead and type Roblox and then click on this official website here. So go ahead and click on Login, and if you don't have an account, you can fill this up and then click on Sign Up to create an account. So enter your username, email, or your phone number and your password and then click on Login. So once you're here, go ahead and click on Create and then click on Dashboard. Go ahead and go to Development Items and then click on Audio. So you'll see the maximum of files is 1, and this is the format that is supported, and the max size per file is 20 MB. So go ahead and click on Upload Asset. So the asset type is already selected for audio as we're trying to upload the audio, and you will get 10 uploads per month. So you can click on Upload and then go to where your audio is located and then select the file and then click on Open. So you can give a name to your audio, and it is only up to 50 characters. You can provide a description for your audio, and it can be from 5 to 1000 characters. And once you've filled all this up, go ahead and click on Upload. So this is how to upload audio to Roblox. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.